Are you looking for an unbiased SoulZap.com reviews? Then you are at the right stop. Watch this video to find about it. Hello everyone, I welcome to all of you in this new website review. Today I'm gonna talk about SoulZap.com reviews, which is quite popular in United States. First of all, I want to confirm that this website is not owned by us. It's an unbiased review which will help you in deciding the answer of this question, whether I should buy from this website or not. Also, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then do watch this video till the end. I will be sharing the way to get your money back. Now, without any further delay, let's start the video. SoulZap is an e-commerce site which claims to provide top quality cosmetic and beauty products for its customers. The whole website is available both in Spanish as well as English language. Like we can see right now, the 40% sale is prevailing, and these are the products. The price are mentioned below each product, but these prices are too good to be true. Also, they provide discount on bundle buying. Now let's check the payment page. Here we can see that no information of the payment mode is available. However, by checking through the shopping cart, we have found that they provide payment mode through ShopPay, Google Pay and PayPal. Now let's check the shipping details. Again, no shipping page is available. However, by checking through the frequently asked questions, here they have seen that they generally take 3 to 5 business days. Also, due to COVID, the delay can also occur. Now, before moving further, I request you all to please like and share this video and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done yet, as it works as a motivation to bring more such informative as well as well-researched videos for you. Now, let's talk about those legitimacy website is a scam or a legit website. Talking about the connection security, this website has no certification for SSL secure connection, and it was launched on 19th October 2020 and has an expiration due of 1 year only. The registrar is godaddy.com. Like we can see that this website is only 2 months 14 days age, therefore it's too young to be trusted. Now let's check the about us page. Here we can see that no about us page is available. Now let's check the contact us page. Here we can see that they have provided a customer contact form, also a contact number with contact mail, and a live chat for the customers is also available. Also, they have provided a physical address. However, by checking the physical address on Google Map, we have found that the physical address provided is wrong. Therefore, it rings a scam alert. Now, let's check the social presence of this website. Like here we can see that the social icons of Instagram, Facebook as well as YouTube is available. By checking the social presence, we have found that it has a strong social presence on Instagram with 4,000 plus followers. Also, they provide a newsletter options, and one interesting part is that by joining the newsletter, they also provide discounts on the purchase. Now, let's check the refund policy. Again, no refund page is available. However, by checking again through the frequently asked questions page, here at the bottom, we can see that they have said that they provide refunding up to 1 month, and also a 10% restocking fee will be charged over $50 plus purchase. Also, if you have any experience of refund policy of this website, then do share your experience in the comment box. Now let's check the customer reviews of this website. Let's check it from the products. Let's assume this product. Here, for this product, we have seen that that no reviews were present. Also, by checking the different products of this website, we have seen that no customer reviews were available. Also, by checking the customer reviews on different online platforms like on trustpilot.com, we have seen that no customer reviews were available. Also, on its social pages like Facebook, no reviews were even present there. Also, this website WOT trust score is not yet established. Also, according to Alexa traffic statistics, this website has less traffic. Now, talking about errors, no genuine errors were available. However, the social links of Facebook and YouTube is not working. Also, as we have seen earlier, that the physical address provided is a wrong address. Now, for the legitimacy of any website, its social presence, its customer reviews, its domain age, as well as the authenticity of the information provided is important. Here, we have seen that the domain age of this website is too young to be trusted. Its social presence is not well established except on Instagram. Also, about customer reviews, no customer reviews are found. And about the authenticity of the information provided, we have seen that the information of the physical address is wrong. Hence, we conclude that this website is now published recently. Therefore, this website needs more time to be fully researched as well as to be fully concluded about its authenticity. However, since some informations were misleading, therefore, this website can also be a cautious website. Therefore, we advise you to first check your own site about SoulZab.com reviews present online before expending your money on it. Also, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then do check the link provided in the description box to get your money back. That's all about SoulZab.com reviews. I hope you like this video. Please share your views on this video in the comment section, and also please do not forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you for watching this video. We advise you to be informed and be safe.